So guys, yes, right now we are still holding the short sell position and we are still waiting for the stock to come down. So we'll see how it will perform. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 27th of April and the time is around 9:11 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening. So coming to the pre-open market, so the Nifty 50 is opening at 14,493.80 with 0.06% up only. Advanced stocks are 34 and declines are 10 and unchanged is 6 stocks. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap up section, that is SDFC Life with 0.94% up and DV Slab with 0.90% up. And now let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap down section, that is Axis Bank with 1.35% down and SDFC with 0.67% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market is looking today. So the market looks sideways right now. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you want to learn how to make money consistently in trading and want to stop your losses from today and want to recover your losses, you can join my course now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also guys, there is a offer from Upstock. So if you open your Upstock account from the link given in the description below of this video, you will get a free trading account. You don't need to pay any money. For free you will get a Upstock trading account, and if you open today you get more offers. Okay, you get free 1 month trading with zero brokerage. There's been no brokerage charge from your side. There will be free trading for 1 month and you will get zero brokerage. Okay, there is no brokerage charges on stocks, mutual fund, digital gold, IPO and NFO. Okay, so whatever you trade, whether in future and option or equity, stock, long term or short term or anything you trade, if you open your account today for the next 1 month full, you don't have to pay any brokerage charges. So it's free account. You can click the link in the description below of this video and click on and make a free account and also trade for free. Okay, so once you open your Upstock account by using the link given in the description below of this video, you will be added to my Telegram channel where I share some of the stock market facts and news. So guys, right now I have selected ICICI Bank to trade and I'll be short selling this. So I'll short sell now. So around 5,000 quantity, the market limit, sell. So yes, now let's wait for the stock to come down. So ICICI Bank short sell, we are holding it. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock made a low of 591.10, and it took my exit somewhere around 591.2030 somewhere there, because I saw somewhere the support was there around 591, and from there, if you guys can see, the stock went all the way up. So it took a support somewhere here and went all the way up and made a high of 600.75. So that's why I had to exit my short sell position somewhere here and book my 0.5% target. Okay, so yes, I did book a decent amount of profit, and this was the profit what I was able to book today. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today and want to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.